the base now. Handcuffed. Wow, Brianna's doing good in the handcuffs. Bree, hey, don't scream. Ocean, stop screaming. No, because look, let me see your controller. It's off again. What the hell? No, what the hell?
It died.
Okay, keep dancing. I'll figure this out later. I'll ask for some new batteries.
I just can't wait to take this off. This has been annoying.
So yeah, sorry about the other one. I deleted the first one, so it's not gonna really explain what happened at the beginning. I mean the second one, what happened when we were here. But yeah, you guys come down to Boys and Girls Club. We have fun. You guys will see us here. Being our crazy selves. Just look, if you guys don't know where it is, look up on the internet, Boys and Girls Club of St. Catharines, and you'll find the address. For those of you who live in St. Catharines, you should find it. It's right by it's near the highway, next to the gas station, just across the street. Teen Zone is Tuesdays and Fridays, when there's no half day. It's just $20 for, well, they'll explain it to you. I'm not gonna explain everything because I usually mess up when I try to. Hey, wait a minute. Get back in there. Yeah. I wasn't paying attention. What the heck? Her hands got tiny. Her hands got tiny last minute. Alright? Her hands got tiny last minute. Like, what the heck? Oh, shit. Say something! Say something!
I'm so mad.
You're smiling.
I know.
What are you doing? You have to follow what she's doing. Alright guys, like, subscribe, and peace. Say bye guys.